In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send WhatsApp messages from Microsoft Excel. If you manage a list of contacts in a spreadsheet and want to send quick follow-ups like, "Hi, name, need update ASAP bits," this workflow will save you a lot of time. Here's the idea. We'll use one formula to generate a personalized message for each person and another formula to create a clickable link that opens WhatsApp web with the correct phone number and a pre-filled message. Then you just press send. In my sheet, I have names in column B, phone numbers in column D, and I'll build the message in column C. To create the personalized message, select the first cell in your message column, C2 in this example, and enter this formula exactly. X, hi, and B2N need update ASAP. The quotes, spaces, and ampersands are important. The space after hi and the comma before need come from the text inside the quotes, and the name is pulled from B2. Press enter, and you'll see the message appear for that row using the name from column B. If you want a different greeting or more context, just edit the text inside the quotes to suit your needs. Then copy the formula down so every row has its own customized message. Next, let's turn each row into a direct WhatsApp link. In the next empty column, enter this formula for the same row. Hyperlink https web whatsapp.com send phone d2 send text message. When you press enter, you'll get a clickable link that says send message. Copy that down for all your rows. Each link will point to the phone number in D2 and include the text from C2. When you click a link for the first time, your browser will open WhatsApp web. If you're not logged in yet, you'll need to scan the QR code with your WhatsApp app. After that, every time you click a link, it will open the correct chat, pre-fill the message you created, and all that's left is to press send. A couple of quick tips for smooth results. Make sure phone numbers are in full international format, including country code, and avoid extra characters like spaces or parentheses. You can always customize your message formula to add more details, and because it's a formula, any updates you make will instantly reflect across all rows. And that's how to send WhatsApp messages from Microsoft Excel. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more practical workflows, and tap the bell so you don't miss future videos.